Good morning, learners. I hope you all are doing well and safe. So, now today we are going to start our new exercise 2.2 from the chapter number 2. So, everybody open your maths book on the page number 24. So, here is the exercise 2.2, and we have to study in this exercise the divide the following. The question is based on divide and based on word problems. So let's start. So here the question number first is divide the following. A part 1/7 divided 2. तो हमको इसको divide करना है. कैसे करेंगे divide? Now here first of all this divided sign convert into multiplication and the two it reciprocal. Okay. हमको क्या करना है, इस टू का हमें करना है रेसिप्रोकल और दिस डिवाइड साइन विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू डू सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 1 1 ज़ा 1 and 7 2 ज़ा 14. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ कम्स टू द इट्स डी पार्ट. 3 divided 2/21. So in this we have also this sign convert into multiplication and the reciprocal of second term 21/2. So the answer is simple multiplication. 3 multiply 21 gives 63 and over 2. So this is the answer. So like this you have to do all the parts of the question number first. Now in question second, divide. We have to divide these two terms. Okay, so let's start. So in this, how can we do? Write 5/9 here. 9, this is a division sign. Yes, so we have to convert it into multiplication sign and the reciprocal of second term 27/10. So the answer is, now you can see here we can cut 5 and 10 from the same table. 5 1 ज़ा 5 2 ज़ा and 9 1 ज़ा 9 3 ज़ा. So the answer is 3 1 ज़ा 3/2, or you can convert it into mixed fraction also. So the answer is this. Okay, now there is D part. 6 whole 5/17 divided 4/21. तो इसको हमें कैसे करना है? First of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Then we have to convert this division sign into the multiplication and reciprocal of this number. Okay. So look here. First of all, convert this. 17 multiplied 6 gives 102 and 102 plus 5. This is 5. 107 over 17. Now divided 4/51. Now 107/17. Convert this sign into multiplication and then reciprocal it like this. So here you can see that we can cut 17 and 51 by the 17 1 17 and 17 3 are. Now here 4 and 107 can't be cut, so write multiply 107 multiply 3/4. So the answer is 3 7 ज़ा 21 and 3 1 ज़ा 3/21, or you can convert this into the mixed fraction. So the answer is this. Now we will do the question number 3, simplify. I hope you have cleared the question number second. Rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 3, simplify. In this we have to do this question by BODMAS rule. In the last exercise 2.1 we do the same. Yes. So the A part is 3/8 divided by 4/7 plus 3/7 bracket. Okay, so let us solve this. In this, first of all, we have to solve these numbers which are in the bracket. So write first number as it is and solve this. Now you can see that there is a denominator 7. Okay, इनके जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर है वो क्या है, सेम है. सो राइट 7 and the 4 plus 3 7. Okay, now you can change this division sign into the multiplication sign. 7 upon 7 है reciprocal तो. Now we can cut this from this. Now the answer is 3/8. This is the answer. Now in C part you can see there is only a one sign, that is multiplication sign. Okay, and the terms are 3. So now here we write 13/4 multiply 3/26 multiply 5/9. Now there is only one sign multiplication, so we have to do this. Like you can see that 3 and 9 can be cut, so 3 ones are and 3 threes are. Okay, and 13 and 26 is also 13 ones are and 13 twos are 26. Now there is no number which can cut. Then 5 ones are 5 over 4 twos are 8 and 8 threes are 24. So this is the answer. I hope you have clear now. So the rest of the parts of question number 3 you can do it yourself. If anyone has query, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन समझना है या उसका आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, सो वो मेरे से पूछ सकता है. ओके.